ContentDB. ContentDB is a document stored database library that is similar to CouchDB and MongoDB. It is a NoSQL database. It comes installed with Lighttouch. Now for this explanation, we're going to explore how ContentDB works and implemented examples of its functionalities. First, we're going to see how ContentDB stores information. ContentDB saves as documents. Here in the content folder, we will find all the files that are stored. The files are saved inside the store, which is the folder with a new UID for name. And inside this folder, each file has for name their respective UUID. If we go and open one of these documents, we can see the format in which the documents are stored. Now we will explain some of the functions that ContentDB uses to handle documents and how the packages, HTML interface and JSON interface use these functions. ContentDB walk documents. This function receives the store ID and a function. And if the store ID is nil, it will use the store ID that is generated in the home store.txt. The function will go through all the documents in that store and execute the function given. We can see examples of this in the list documents and list subdocuments files. In the list documents, we can see that it stores all the documents that match the model name. And list subdocuments, we can see that it stores the documents that have a relationship with a specified model. Read document. This function receives a new UID and returns the document that matches this UUID if it exists. Otherwise, it will return nil. We can see an example of this in the request edit and the request document of the HTML interface package. Write file. This function receives the store ID, the document UUID if needed, otherwise it will be automatically generated, the fields of the document and the body of the document. We can see examples of this being implemented in the create document of JSON interface. These were the basic examples of how to use ContentDB. It has a lot of use cases, especially the function walk documents. Since it receives a function, the developer can create custom searches or behavior depending on what they are trying to achieve. We can see custom implementations of this in the Issues app of Speakeasy. This app is available in the Speakeasy repository at GitHub. Here we can see how this app uses ContentDB for custom searches implementing models. And as in most cases of programming, it's a matter of creativity to the things that can be achieved with Lighttouch and ContentDB. And with this, I conclude this explanation of Lighttouch and how to use it.